Hi guys, so this is part 3 of my Sugar Lake tour, and of course I start and end it with Kim video bombing as always, and so is her dad. Okay, just want to show you a different angle or view of Sugar. Well, actually these are the hills surrounding the lake. Okay, so it's a a very panoramic piece of tourism, tourist destination. So there you are, and we're going back. Okay, we're going back, and we're going to the other dock over there on the other side. Yeah, there. So that's where we're headed. And let's see we're gonna find there. As always, the people are coming and going. Either they're walking or they're on a boat, like that. We're still deciding whether to try that boat ride that will take us to Scorpio Island. Well, actually, we'll see if we can afford it. So here is my 10 cents worth about what I have observed so far. Okay, life here is, like as in everywhere else, although the dollar can also go far here, but the prices are a bit expensive as well. Let's put it that way. And you'll enjoy it if you don't have a lot of expectations on what a perfect vacation should be. If you're if your needs are simple, then you'll have a great time. If you just you'll be happy and contented with just like people watching and taking a walk, like what we're doing, and observing and appreciating what comes to us, then you'll have a good time. And even if you have a shoestring budget, so it depends on your perspective on things. Okay, so look at this girl, and look at her toy. It's cute. Look at her. Yeah, see? Poor thing. He's being abused. Okay. And then more of the street food here. Okay, so we have the dulces típicas de Chapala. So they're selling different kinds of candied fruit. Okay, dulceria, mesas amarillas. Okay, different. Yeah, they're called Mexican candy. Okay, there you go. Are you attracted to any one of them? Okay, and this is very curious. You see here, they're not flies. They're like, oh, they flew away. That's actually like, they're bees. They're bees. They're not flies, and they're attracted to the honey in the candy because they use real honey in the candy. Okay, this is like they call it charal, but it's like anchovy. Crispy anchovy. They fry it to a crisp, and then they actually put like salsa and lemon on it, and then that's how they eat it. Yeah. Very nice. Gracias. Okay, so this is these are bamboo. Oh, bamboo cups, mugs. Oh, very interesting. So you see, look, and they're all made of bamboo, and they're like their
those are the nice for the beer.
yeah. Look at that. Very nice. Gracias. Okay, more nieves or ice cream or sorbetes. And they also sell like what you call literally their sugar water. So they just put syrup and then they, you know, they flavor it with whatever artificial sweeteners and colorings and all that, and they call it frescas. So and up yonder over there, I'll see if I can I still have enough battery power to cover that. Those are more like Tiangue, you know, selling different, you know, souvenir items. Alright, excuse me. Alright. Oh, look, Kim. A horsey. Oh, that's huge. Oh. She's huge. I don't know if it's a she or a he. Oh. Oh, you can mount it?
Yeah, you can.
You pay to have your picture taken. Okay. Okay. So if you want to have your picture taken, you just, of course, pay them, and then you can mount it and have your picture taken. It's tall. It's about, on 4 legs, probably it stands about 6-7 feet. You know, the horse. I mean, not the, you know, not the guy there, but the horse stands like about 7 feet. It's huge. You know, bigger than the regular horse that I've seen so far. So these are, you know, like bigger than what I've seen so far. So I don't know how to you know, like spot the gender to tell what gender these horses are, but you know, they look like they're stallions, but I could be wrong. There you go. You like to try it? Oh, there are ponies too for kids. See, look. It's very interesting. So this one, yeah, they're donkeys or ponies. I'm not sure what they are really, but they're small horses that kids can ride, and they're doing it. And then Kim used to actually ride one of those, and that's actually the one that helped her to start talking. You know what they say about if you want your kid to start talking, then let them ride a horse, and soon enough they will. You know, it's true for her, you know. There you go. Very nice. Okay, so we're close to the other dock. Okay, and then up ahead there's I can see from here there's another statue there. So we'll find out what statue that is. I notice here it's very provincial. Chapala is a very provincial town. You know, like there's a lot of like throwbacks. You know, they still have cobblestone roads. You know, they are not asphalted, they're not cemented at all, and it's just surprising that there's a lot of people here driving cars on those road conditions, because the ride is usually, you know, 100% of the time it's bumpy because of the, you know, cobblestones. I'm gonna make a video of a separate video of that, so you can, you know, like get a feel of what I'm talking about here. But yeah, and then the people here, they live simply, you know, and they are quiet people, and look at that. They're very friendly and forgiving too, especially when you're struggling with your Spanish and you try to get by. Google Translate has been my hero so far, and they always, you know, let me get away with how I decimate the Spanish grammar and the syntax and the verb. As long as, you know, I can get put my message across, then they're happy with it. So, and I'm happy with it. Okay, so we're here.